What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am creating this look. Now this is the pink purpley vibe that I wanted to wear for the coming Valentine. It's one of the looks that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want to know how to get this look and be your own Valentine, then keep on watching. First up guys, we're gonna start by moisturizing the face as usual. I'm using the Biotic Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. I have recently started using this and I'm really liking it. It's also a part of my winter regime, and yes, I have primed my face with that. I'm gonna go with the eyes first today. So as usual, taking my Photo Focus Eye Primer by Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna apply this on my lid. Oopsie. I'll have to use my finger now. I'm such a fathead, man. God. Now guys, I'm gonna show you a new style today. We are gonna use some tape over our eyes. I mean, I have done this quite a lot of time. I'll show you guys the trick of how a lot of Instagrammers and YouTubers get that sharp wing at the edge of their eye. And this tape, you can take any tape that you have, you know, a cello tape or whatever. Now this tape, you really don't want to know where I got this from. Okay, let me just tell you. This tape is from a hardware carpenter shop. It's retail for ₹20. So I'm going to start off with the Pack Ultimate Shadow Box Eye Collection. This is the Bold collection. I really like the shades in this, especially these shimmer shades. They are really vibrant. They just make a new vibe for you. So I'm going to use this bubblegum pink over here, and I'm going to mix that with the purple. So let's start off with the tutorial, and I'm going to start with this brush over here. This is the Pro Art E25 brush, and I'm gonna go with this shade out here, the bubblegum shade from the Pack Bold collection, and start blending this right at the edge and also in the socket of my eye. Now also the inspiration of this look was Desi. I mean, I really love her, and there are a lot of Indian YouTubers that love her, but this was one of her Barbie looks that she had created. Although I don't have the same palette, she used MAC and other few palettes which I don't have. So I thought I would use this palette from Pack because the shades are more or less same. Now I'm going to deepen the crease with this neon bold pink color. I mean, I don't know how does it look to you guys, but this is how it's looking here. So I'm going to take this shade now, and the same way on the same brush, I'm just going to deepen the socket. Next, I'm going to go with a purple shade. You can take any purple shade that you have. I'm going to start off from the corner and then gradually take it to the middle of my lid. And I'm taking this on my Glam shader brush. Now from this same palette, the Pack palette, I'm gonna go with this shade out here, the purplish shade, and take this on my shader brush and start applying it right from the center and move it across. We've applied the shimmer shade, guys. Now is the moment of truth, and get ready for this. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this is good, but there's like crazy fallout on my face. My trusted one, Johnson & Johnson, and I'm just gonna clean this off. The crazy fallout, I don't know why, but yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna get on to the face now with the Strobe Cream by MAC first, and this is the Gold Light. I want the face to look Barbie kind and little dewy, and that's the reason why I'm applying the strobe. And I'm gonna apply this right on the highest points of my face. And I'm using my Pack 307 brush. Foundation, I'm gonna go with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I'm in the shade 7.5. And I'm gonna take this and apply all across my face. I'm gonna go with my PAC 003 brush and I'm just gonna evenly spread the foundation. I love this foundation. Going with my Maybelline concealer, and this is the shade and this is the shade medium. To set my under eye, I'm gonna go with the Krylon Face Cake makeup. This is a tester that I was given, and this is the shade FS36. But this is a really nice powder, and I'm gonna take this on my PAC 349 brush, dust off the excess, dab it on the concealer that I've applied. I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer and I'm just gonna contour my nose. I'm also gonna bronze my face with this, and I'm taking my PAC 112 brush. I'm gonna apply some blush. You can take any blush that you have. If you think you've overdone with your brush, go back with the foundation brush that you applied and just dab it over it. I'm just gonna diffuse this corner. I mean, this is looking very sharp to me. Not that I'm not liking it, but that's not my vibe. I'm gonna go with this pinkish shade, the same shades that we've applied. And I'm just gonna diffuse it very slightly. I'm gonna take the PAC Long Lasting Kohl pencil and apply this on my lower lash line. Using my PAC 120, I'm gonna smoke this out. I'm gonna go with the PAC 329 brush and I'm gonna pick up the pink shades that we've applied and I'm just gonna smoke it out, connecting to what we've done. For my lips, first I'm gonna line this with the NYX retractable liner, and this is the shade Nude. Now I'm gonna apply a little of the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Cream, and this is Pink Plush. So guys, my lashes are on. Just before we call it a final look, we're going to apply some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using today is my Glam mascara. For my highlight, I'm gonna go with the PAC 131 brush and I'm taking Molten Gold from Maybelline. Middle of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Little on my Cupid's bow. I think I'm gonna apply a little gloss, and this is the Wet n Wild lip gloss. So sorry, I took off the lipstick because I think the gloss made it not my vibe types. For my lips, I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hill lipstick, and this is the shade Rio. This is a neon pink, but I'm just gonna take a slight bit of this and smudge it all over my lips. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you love the vibe of today, which is pinkish and purple. I'm really liking the way it's come out. Plus, this could also be my version of the Valentine look. Anyways, but if you have liked this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That all is the Makeup by Cynthia. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.